What's up, y'all? We back.
I drive big wheels, make big meals, I'm a big deal. And I'ma hug this road until I'm up a meal. I ride good, I eat good, so I sleep good. And if it's money on the road, then put it on the wood. All gas, no brakes, this a paper chase. I ain't worried about no beef, but put it on the plate. And if it's crossing state lines, I gotta up the price. Up all day and night, this a trucker's life.
Alright, y'all, we back. We about to dice this. I like to have big chunks of that lobster tail meat. So what I'm gonna do, just cut it up like that. Just boom. Nice big meaty chunks. Let me cut this one in half. Nice big meaty chunks, and then we got the claw right here. I'm gonna take some of the big pieces out because I don't want to break those down too much. I like to have a bite in some of them. See, look, this one broke, so that's gonna be in there. I'm gonna shred that one, and I'm gonna shred this one. And then this goes in here, and I'm gonna saute it all together. But I'm gonna shred more of that lump meat while I do it. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, we back, and we got a pleasure of making something with some top quality butter. Hey, check out Kerrygold butter. It's a half a pound of butter. Yeah, it's not cheap, but hey, when you're making lobster, you don't want to put it with some cheap Walmart butter. So you get the good stuff. Even though it is still sold at Walmart, so technically it's Walmart butter. But hey, we're cooking. And the only seasoning I'm putting in, because I want to highlight the lobster. I don't want to highlight nothing else. Only thing I'm putting in is some garlic. Some garlic in there. Put that up there. And some Old Bay garlic herbs. And some dill. Alright, y'all, we got the butter melted. We're gonna dump this in here. I don't want to miss one single grain of this lobster. I'm just gonna toss it around. I'm not gonna actually like mix it. I'm just getting it all surrounded in that butter with the dill and the garlic and that Old Bay. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. See, this is what we do. And y'all, we got the split top brioche buns. Yeah. Y'all, we gotta go with the brioche. With the split top. But I'm gonna cover this up and let it cook. I'll be back. Okay, we got the brioche bun. Chop it up on one side, toast it on that side. Grab another one, do the same thing. I got a little bit of butter on this side, so as y'all can see, the butter right here. So we're gonna toast that up. Alright, y'all, we're gonna show you how I assemble a lobster roll. We got this, I'm gonna show you the lid. It is sweet, buttery, it's sweet baby buttery leaf lettuce. Best lettuce you can find. Put some in there. As y'all can see, I got two rows right here. So I'm gonna stack them both. There we go. That's a pretty one right there. Just take that thick stalk off. This part too. Okay. So now we're ready for the lobster, which is right here. We're gonna take it, poke it on there. You know what? We're gonna scoop it on there. If y'all want to scoop it or search ahead, because I'm gonna show you how I do this. Take one more scoop. It's just with a plastic fork, so it ain't no big scoop or none of that. But we're gonna overfill it a little bit. That's the first one. Here's the second one. Hold on, this lettuce is kind of plopped up. There we go. But hey, leave a comment, let me know what y'all think about some Connecticut style lobster rolls. This is my favorite kind of lobster roll. But I'm gonna let you know right now, in a couple days, I'm probably gonna make the main lobster roll with the cold, you know. If you know, you know. We're not done yet. We're gonna take this big lobster claw, just lay it on top, lay it right there. This other big one, well, medium-sized one. We're gonna take another piece of that one, or the other one, put it right there. We got enough for another claw tomorrow. But hey, we're not done. We gotta pull out the truck-made sun-dried habaneros. And just kind of sprinkle it on top. There we go. And yes, I got some more habaneros in my front window. They're almost ready to add to this. There we go. It's all done. Then we're gonna take a little bit of the butter out of here. We're gonna fold the bowl so the meat don't get out. I'm gonna drip some of that butter on there. There we go. And tell me, y'all, what do you think? Yeah, truck made lobster rolls, y'all. And we gone. I gotta eat these before they get cold.